We're doing some new restaurant kits, and I have a friend.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
And she has a toddler, so we need to do some restaurant kits for toddlers because you guys have been asking for them.
And I need one desperately.
Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and I am here with Lucy.
Hi.
She's from a fabulous channel called Tic Tac Toy and Tic Tac Toy Family. I highly recommend you check them out. My kids love them, watch them all the time. But the reason why I have her with me is because we are doing a video for her.
I have a little one who needs to be kept busy at a restaurant, so I'm glad Christina's here is going to help me out with that.
And you all know I am the queen of restaurant kits, and I don't have toddlers anymore, but you have a toddler. How old's your toddler?
I do, almost 2 years old.
2 years old, so we need to go hit up Dollar Tree and find some great stuff for her kid to do while at a restaurant. Do you currently have a restaurant kit?
I do not have one.
Okay, so
but I need one.
So she needs some help. What kind of things is he into?
Anything that moves, little cars, anything he can just fidget with.
Does he like to make a mess?
Oh yes, he loves to make messes.
Flashcards are a great find. Why don't you pick out one that you think that he would like, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do with it next.
Oh, yeah, this would be good. See what they are.
Cute.
I got first words because he's starting to learn to talk a little bit more so that he could practice some of the words that he is learning.
Okay, awesome. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna go over to the picture section. We are looking for these photo books. This one right here. So what you're gonna do is put your flashcards inside of there so you can flip it like a flip board, and it keeps them better from being torn up.
And not thrown all over the restaurant?
And not thrown all over.
Good thinking.
It's a good tip. And he can draw on them too.
That's true, I love it.
So these little dry erase boards are really good to put inside a restaurant kit because they're small and they come with a little marker and there's an eraser right on top of it. So they have different ones here. They have superheroes, Avengers.
He'll love this, he's a big Paw Patrol fan.
Okay, I just found something that my kids really liked, and it's a great fine motor activity. These little lace and learn shape things are perfect for toddlers, and it's great to get that hand-eye coordination. And they have several different ones at this Dollar Tree, and they come with the laces. This one's cute too with the sea animals.
Okay, let me see here. I think I'll look at sea animals. Cute little turtle. Oh, this one. He loves the zoo. I'll do this one instead.
Oh, that's cute.
Elephant. I wonder what other animals are in there. Oh, a panda bear.
I have a 4-year-old that likes panda.
I love this one.
So we're in the craft section right now, and I see something that some people kind of look over. These little pipe cleaners, which are really fun to play with in your hands and kind of fidget with and make shapes with or make letters with, and you can bend them and unroll them, and they like them because they're great to touch. But a good tip on this is to not give them the whole package. Just put 1 or 2 in there at a time.
That makes sense. I never would have thought of this too.
And they wouldn't be all over the place. And then another tip is to take these little ends and just bend them over slightly so they're not rough and scratchy. Here we go. The sticker section is my favorite. I actually buy way too many stickers. And the thing is that stickers are really good for fine motor. Actually peeling them off is perfect for toddlers if they don't get too frustrated. And then sticking them onto just a blank book. So we have a whole bunch of stickers here. You might be able to find just a blank book piece of paper. And so the activity is actually taking the stickers off and putting them on. And they're so cheap. So you can find
the puffy ones too they have.
So you can find all kinds of different ones according to what your kid likes. I usually get the books like this because there's a lot in there. But
oh, that's true. I'll get them both. I think you like the fruit ones. I'm going to go with these ones.
Now we need to go get a little notebook. Which
notebook to put them in?
Yeah.
Okay. Take one of these.
Oh yeah.
Go with this one. With the green one.
Decisions. Decisions.
I know, too many decisions.
You guys, I just realized that my shirt makes me look naked when I hold the camera like this. Look.
You got to get just the right angle.
Naked. Not naked.
There you go.
Naked. Not naked.
Here we go.
Look. She found a different one.
Yes, let's go with this because he might like the Monsters University.
Yeah, let's switch that out.
Right.
That's the thing with Dollar Trees. You kind of have to keep your eyes open because you might miss something. So these are new. Can't believe I've actually seen these here. So these are rubbing plates, and look at the different styles. How many? There's 3 in there. And this one is shells. It's hard to see with the glare. This one's leaves, and then there's a flower. So you put a piece of paper over them and use a crayon to color. But your toddler likes to eat crayons.
He does like to eat crayons.
So that's probably not a good idea for her. But that is a really good find because these rubbing plates, they cost a lot of money at bigger stores. We're finding a whole bunch of fun things for that age, like these little puzzles. And they have all different kinds, but you have to be very selective about what you put in restaurant kits because the pieces are gonna be all over the floor. So
They will.
be mindful about what you put in a restaurant kit. My other tip, and some of you guys have actually asked me this, I don't take everything out at once. My girls are pretty good at doing it themselves, taking one or two things out, but the key is take one thing out at a time or else it's gonna be all over the table. Some of you guys have said, is it gonna be all over the table? How do you do that? One thing at a time, one thing. And I promise your life will be much, much easier. So we're back from the Dollar Tree and we have a whole bunch of stuff to show you what we're gonna put into your restaurant kit for her toddler. But I do have a present. The famous box from Daiso. So for most of you who don't know, I use these boxes from Daiso as my restaurant kit, and they're $1.50 at Daiso. If you don't have a Daiso, I have found them on Amazon and you can get them there. But I like these because they have a handle and they're hard case, so you could draw on here.
Oh, perfect.
You can use a backpack, any bag that you have already. You don't necessarily need this. Some of you guys don't like these. I do, but I got this as a present for you to start off.
Thank you.
One of the reasons why I do like this, not only because of the handle, but because it kind of limits what I can put inside so that I don't bring the whole world. So we're gonna pack this up and make sure everything that we bought fits in there.
All right, I'm excited.
So I usually start with the bigger stuff first because that's just the way to pack it. So we picked out this Paw Patrol dry erase board. It has a marker in there, but you can also get some additional ones at Dollar Tree that are a little bit more colorful as well. These don't have the eraser on them. These do have the eraser on them. So we're gonna unpackage that and we can put them in. Once again, you don't have to have all the colors. Sometimes I do all the colors for my girls, but you can pick maybe one or two if you wanna.
Sounds good.
Keep it good. Next up are the flashcards. Dollar Tree has flashcards in every single thing that you could possibly want. And these are great so that you can recognize shapes, you can point things out, you can make sentences. And so we have first words.
I'm excited for these.
And we found a photo album. And so inside the photo album has little pockets where you can actually put them in and make your own book. So you can pick and choose.
Okay.
And once they've kind of learned those words, you can change them out and put in new words. Another thing that you can do with the photo albums that's a lot of fun is actually put pictures. This is for a baby, maybe a younger toddler. You can put pictures of your family in there and recognize family
good
members.
Idea.
So I'm gonna let you pick out which ones that you wanna start off with.
Okay, perfect.
We also got a little composition notebook. This is a really small one. It's like just as big as my hand. And we're gonna use the blank pages to put some stickers on. And we chose some fun construction stickers, which these are so cute.
Aren't they cute little texture to them? They pop up.
I love these. And these are nice and chunky, which should be easier for little hands to get off. And then we also have the regular kind of stickers on the paper. And so these are good too. Just like I said, increasing that fine motor activity because it's really great for that pincer grasp to get the sticker off the paper. That in itself is a great activity. And then placing them and pushing them on your notebook is really good for toddlers. Then we found some really cute lacing kits. This comes with a lot of different laces and a lot of different shapes. The whole thing about a restaurant kit is that you change things out so that they keep interesting and keep your child really entertained. So don't be afraid to leave some stuff out and bring it out, and then make this a special kit just for the restaurants. They don't play with it at home, okay? That will help a lot when you bring it out to keep your kid focused on it. Pipe cleaners, and these are a lot of fun just to bend, to roll, to play with, and it's just the simple things that kids get really entertained by.
Sure.
So pick one or two colors with this and then just stick them in there. You can also put these in your purse if you're at a restaurant and you just need your kid just to be entertained. This will usually do the trick. Then I have an extra bonus gift for you because I could not pass up an opportunity to get these from Lakeshore Learning. She has no idea that I got these.
I don't.
And you guys know how much I love Lakeshore Learning, and I know Lucy does
I do too.
Former teacher.
Yes,
and so these are pretty cool. They're shake and reveal cards, and
fun.
inside they have little cards, and you place a card inside and shake it up, and there's magnetic pieces in there, and it's for counting. So this is a lot of fun, and you can put maybe one or two of these in as well. All right, and it all fits inside, so now you are set and ready to take your restaurant kit with your toddler. I want to hear how it goes.
Can't wait. We can actually go out to dinner now. We don't do that very often anymore.
I know. Well, maybe I'll give you a little bit of sanity. Just remember the tips. Not everything at once.
Okay.
If you want to learn more about Lucy and her family, check them out at Tic Tac Toy Family. I think you're really going to enjoy watching their family as they grow, or their skit channel, Tic Tac Toy. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.